So we have a lot of updates. We got airdrop to claim, checkers, and everything you need to know about the MONAD airdrop. So with that said, make sure to leave a like and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, it is time for me to go and open a few position over on Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm. And why do I use it? Well, I got $60,000 as you see here. But as we see, I only spent $450 because I bought a $50,000 account for $450. I made 20%, $10,000 of that, and I made it go to 60,000. If I made 20% of 450, that would only be $90. That's why I use Breakout. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and join with my code. You also get a discount. And as we see here, I want to buy a few long. So I will go for some link long over here. I will actually go for 2000 link long position for 20 grand, as we see here. Open it, and that it is. And also over here for Ethereum, I will go and buy 40 position in Ethereum for 33 grand. Open the order, and there we go. Make sure to come and join me. Why do I trade here? Because it's so much easier to make money. Of course, you can also lose money, but I do like it a lot. And as we see here, we're already in profit of $76 by the time I just introduced to the project. $100 profit in about a minute, which if I wanted to sell, I could go and sell and make $150 in 2 minutes. So come and join. Link will be down below. But to talk about what's popping right now in the crypto space are perpetual DEX as well. Now, the one that I would suggest you to go and enter, and with this here right here, the referrals are doing great. It is a beta close position only, so make sure to come and join. It is Pacifica. Pacifica is on the Solana ecosystem, and right now, if we're gonna go and check out the DeFi Llama statistic, we are seeing that Pacifica is number 8, over $1 billion in 24 hours every single day. We can simply go and look at the statistic right here. And as we see, we had great here is when the whole, scared happened. And then here we're going back to the 1 billion a day. So this will be the next big airdrop. The link will be down below. And of course, come and trade with me. If you want to also follow me, I do have the Telegram group dedicated to technical analysis. As we see right here, for you to go and join, for you to go and long, short, depending on what I do. And I give you simply my opinion. The link is free to join and no hooks attached. Link down below. Simply join Telegram. Come and trade me. Come and see what we all trade. I will open it up as well for the discussion and all of that. But Pacifica is the one that, in my opinion, is going to have the most hype and the biggest airdrop allocation for the perpetual DEX after the hype of Hyperliquid and also Aster. Pacifica will follow. Why? Because it's on Solana and people absolutely love it. But another one that is also doing good is Sunperp right here. They are keeping on smashing record. As we see, 1.7 billion in USDT, and this is the platform. Why do I also like this one and why do we talk about it? This is backed by Justin Sands and Tron DAO. So I will give you this link down below. If you have $200, go and put 100 on Sunperp and 100 in Pacifica. If you already joined Pacifica, make sure to also join Sunperp because it is coming strong. It is coming in hard. It is absolutely breaking record. And for them, we got a billionaire as well as a $35 billion, Tron's DAO sees $65 billion behind it. And that is why it's going to be huge. It's very, very much undervalued, way less undervalued and well less known than Aster or Pacifica. So you could be in for it. Link down below. As we see here, I am longing on their actual token platform, which is already out. They have announced the airdrop. And yeah, so this one is what I am doing. This is my play. I am long on the Sunperp token, which is absolutely great. And I do see it going to 10 cent, 20 cent and above as soon as they have the hype out. But talking about also another airdrop, Aster. Now the season 2 airdrop is coming soon. And all you gotta do to go and claim it, it is super easy. By the way, you can already go and get yourself with my group. As we see here, we have a team boost as well to get yourself to the stage 3 right away. And this is what you gotta do. The stage 2 airdrop is coming live very, very soon, actually tomorrow. And how do you claim the airdrop? Well, for this season 3, as we see here, we already have the total points, about 1 million total points. And we do have a team boost as well. Now the page is not loading, but to be able to go and claim it, I believe it is tomorrow. Simply come to the page here, connect here and decide whether you want the claim allocation or the refund allocation. Actually, the claim allocation, the first video we made, I had about 120 token. Now they fixed it, which is absolutely great to go and see that they're taking care of the community, and we are 323. So I basically 3x what I used to have, and now this airdrop allocation is valued at about $600 to $700 for only a $17 fee that I have spent. So Absolutely great. Go and check yours and let me know down in the comments below. And also come and trade with me over, as I said, on the Telegram group. Come and join me, come and follow me. And I will take you every day, take you updates over there on the graphs. Next up, we have the Pi airdrop right here. If you are eligible, I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and check it. As we see, for me, myself personally, I'm not eligible for this one, but you are able to trade this token at about a 1 to 2 cent price over on airdrop.finance, which is been around since 2022, but it takes a 3 plus years for the year. So let me know what you think down below. It is a penny airdrop. It's not gonna make you rich nor nothing, but you could be eligible depending on something that you have done between now and the 3 years ago. So definitely something to do. Next up, we have the Hyperswap checker is now live. Now this is a swapping over on the hyper liquid situation, and you can already registered user can now view their token allocation, which mine is this one right here. So absolutely amazing. And we got it also over here a bit more information. The reward organic users for Hyperswap after the end of the point system, 1.275 million points were distributed, representing 127,000 points per week. It was a 10-week long period. To reward share contribution and collaboration, the points were also distributed to the Hyperbit. 1+ million points were allocated to Hyperbit to the reward on the Hyperbit X Hyperswap Vault Depositor. And that is it. So there is no ongoing claim. As of right now, you cannot claim this one. Do not click anything. You can, however, check your SWAP, your swap allocation. And as we see here, I have 78 of them. So let me know how many you got of this one down below. What are we looking in terms of price wise? I do think that between the $2 and the $3 is where I would be aiming for it. I don't think it's gonna make you extremely rich, nor it's gonna make you retire your family. A lot of people have a lot of token, which I do believe is gonna be huge. But this was a swapping protocol, kind of like what D-Bridge or Jumper or those one are. So make sure to go and check it down below. Let me know your allocation. But as we see here, it is also by the Hyperrain. This is the intern on Hyperswap. So definitely something to go and do. And this is the official statement. The official checker is now live, which you can go and check. The next one that I do want to talk about is MONAD. Now, the MONAD airdrop is coming tomorrow. On October 14, you're able to go and claim. The portal opens on October 14. Now, how are you able to go and claim the airdrop, and what are the links to go and follow? Well, first of all, make sure to follow them over on Discord as well as on Twitter. I will leave the Twitter page down below. And the other thing that you will be able to go and do is to simply access your Phantom wallet right here. You will be able to go and see here the claim airdrop voice. On Phantom, this is the legit link as well. After they have announced it, it will be announced here over on your Phantom wallet on the Solana ecosystem. So until you see that one, do not click any sort of link, whatever, outside of what you see either here on Phantom or on their official Twitter. After double checking, because we do know social pages could be hacked at some point. It could be anything happen, especially with the magnitude of this airdrop. Then be very careful. This is what you are supposed to go and check. Only resource at there. But talking about the MONAD airdrop, which after this one, the hype is gonna, where the hype is gonna go back to what the trading perpetually is. So I would really suggest you to go and join Pacifica as well as Sunperp, which it is going up and it is backed by multi-billions. So make sure to go and do this. As of right now, we do have Pacifica, we do have Sunperp, but the other one that of course we do know about it is Gravity. And as we see here, Gravity is not to be, passed through. Why? Because we're standing at number 10. But we do have $828 million and they still need to release the token, and they have just announced as well. As we see here, it is going up. On the daily, it is going up. You see here 900 million, a billion. Then we had 796, 800, 900 million. So it is really growing. This is the charts of how amazing on a weekly basis they got $6.8 billion, and you can go and join them right now. This is their page. As we see here, they have an airdrop going on, so make sure to go and earn on their airdrop. Point system is already live, and it is the time to go and trade. This is just you deposit, just like Pacifica is a trading perp, or you deposit simply from MetaMask, and we will see it on DeFi Llama. I do believe on the top 5 very soon. We will see it right here in the top 5 as soon as it goes. And by the way, GRVT, as we are able to go and see here, they have already announced, which I can potentially find it right here. If we go to the gravity page right here, they have announced the airdrop. So the airdrop allocation will be 22% of the total allocation is going to be the airdrop. So the GRVT airdrop split is going to be 22%. They actually increase it from 20%. Season 1, which is already over, which we have done part of it if you did follow me, we have, as you see here, a percentage. So I am getting 0.027% of what? Well, of 10%. Season 1 was 10% locked for early adopters, and Season 2 is 12% for also the newcomers. The TG target is Q1 2026, which I gotta say, I believe it's a little bit late. The hype is now for the perpetual DEX. They shouldn't be waiting then, but it is what it is. But you can still go and farm it. I would suggest you to go and farm it. Absolutely, yes. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure not to get fooled by the MONAD airdrop or any other possibilities out there in the market. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.